Hey y'all, welcome to Sarah Grace Cookie Company. I'm Sarah Grace and I teach cookie decorating. A little bit about me, I am a twin mama of two little sweet 2-year-old boys and a wife of 6 years to my husband Kane. We live in a little town in Tennessee, Collinwood, well just outside Collinwood. We don't technically live in town, we live out in the county, in the country. I love coffee, the color pink, and cookies. I discovered my love of cookie decorating when I became a stay-at-home mom to my little boys after teaching for 2 years in kindergarten and first grade. I came across a post on social media where one of my friends had gotten married and her cookies that she had at her bridal shower were some custom cookies that had been painted with red food coloring, and they were absolutely gorgeous. I was just in love with how pretty they looked, and I thought, maybe I can do that. So that's where my cookie journey began. I started down the Pinterest rabbit hole to look at all these beautiful painted custom cookies, and I started learning how to do it from YouTube and Instagram. And I quickly discovered that there was a wealth of information about cookie decorating out there, but it was just kind of scattered to the four winds. I just felt like I could organize it and simplify it a little bit now that I've been making cookies for a long time, and that's my goal. That's what I set out to do, is organize and simplify the process of cookie decorating. Now, if you're local in the Florence or Shoals area, then I offer in-person cookie decorating classes at Watson House Design and Landscapes in Florence on Darby Drive. I also offer private cookie decorating classes if you'd like to have a class designed especially for you and your group of ladies, or a birthday party or something like that, maybe a Christmas party, whatever you'd like. I do those private classes and virtual classes as well. I'm really focused on people who are new to cookie decorating, who want to learn as a complete beginner. So I have lots of free resources to help you get started on your cookie decorating journey on my YouTube channel, my free Facebook group, which is Sarah Grace Cookie Co. Tips and Resources, as well as my blog at sarahgracecookie.com. So you can check those resources out. I also sell online cookie decorating classes on my website, and you can also become a member of the Sarah Grace Cookie Academy, where you have access to all those online courses as well as monthly group coaching, where I drop into our little Facebook group and we have a Zoom chat where we can all see each other and we talk about your cookie decorating progress, and I give you some teaching and some advice, and you can ask me questions and I can help you along your way. So those are a few things that I do. Again, thank you for dropping by, and I hope that you will like, subscribe, and you can also join my email list, my email newsletter, The Weekly Bite. Every week I send out a newsletter where I give you a little tidbit about cookie decorating. We have our Sweet Spotlight, where we spotlight a different cookie decorator each week and brag on their beautiful work. We have a cookie prompt where I give you a little creative inspiration for a cookie you can try this week. A technique of the week, where I show you a technique for cookie decorating, one of the different things I've learned over the years of cookie decorating, and kind of explain that to you in written, video, picture form. Give you some ideas and kind of get your creative juices flowing. And I give you a equipment spotlight for the week, because as we know, cookie decorating can sometimes take a lot of different materials and equipment, and there's always a new gadget you can be buying. So I like to show you some of the little options that you have there as well. So if you'd like to subscribe to that newsletter, you can go over to sarahgracecookie.com and you'll find it under the Weekly Bite newsletter. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye.